who were on the field with the layout and everything. When we came there on the ground, we didn't see and direct. It was established that it is not a road.
What you said the findings shows that there was no road per the layout plan. I want this to be made clear in blueprint.
No,
It's only the
no.
district assembly that can establish the truth, and everything will come solved. So if you are
And
here,
it has been established.
but I can't see it. Can you give it to me writing? We are running a formal organization. We are running a formal organization, and I'm pleading with this office that your findings should be in print. Every committee you said, from presidency to down, their findings is in written. Am I lying? Am I lying? This verbal thing won't work.
I just wanted to establish something. If Mr. Ottopah will bear witness, I emphatically went down on my knees before the ADR to plead with him that on behalf of my brothers, we may be wrong. Kindly let things go. I begged you. It wasn't on paper when I did that. Because you had established a point everywhere that with all these things going on, there was no point that any of us came to you to apologize. I have done that twice, together with the day I came before you. We are not here to claim right. We are not here to say we are right. We have accepted our faults. We are here only to plead that this thing gets settled once and for all. And so we are just pleading, Mr. Ottopah. We are not here to argue. Or as much as you want to have these things in blueprints or have it printed, we just want to establish the point that, okay, you know what? If you want me to go down on my knees again and plead with you,
Please stop that, my brother.
So that peace will prevail once and for all.
Please, let's pay attention to the issue. If what I'm asking for is not right, tell me it's not right.
What I'm saying,
you have formed a committee to do inquiries about an issue that is saying there's a road. Another issue says there's no road. You have formed a committee. The committee have gone on the ground. What was the findings of the committee vis-a-vis the area matter?
That's why I'm telling you that as an assembly, all issues like this, it is handled by works, roads, and physical planning.
No, madam, the question
committee wasn't formed first of all.
I used to speak to that.
It is more like it is our duty, our responsibility. I went further because there was an official letter to that effect. You understand? So administratively, I followed.
Madam, what I'm saying is that I have petitioned your office, and your office have set a committee.
No.
The committee,
there was no committee.
Fine.
Okay, so let's say
per your response letter to me, it indicates that the technical team, which I was invited to be previewed to, went on the ground. You just admitted it here, which it is already known by all of us that when we went there, there's no road there. And I'm saying that that issue must be made clear for all of us to understand. I am only asking that the findings of the technical team that went there should make it clear in blueprint for all of us to know that there is no road there.
But he's told us, and we understand.
Yes, and you have told. May I know why is it that a former office like this don't want to put this on paper?
It's not a matter of not putting it on paper. Nobody is afraid of it.
Do you know what happened, my brother? Just quickly, when we went to ADR, this issue made my position made the ADR not able to talk because they are claiming there's no there. Mitsubishi Road in law. Now you are the mediator. Establish that thing.
We did not say that.
I'm speaking. Establish that there's no road or there's no road. So we can proceed.
With what he's saying. Mr. Ottopah, to my recollection.
Yes.
And to my recollection, when we met you as a team, we went around the whole place. One, we were able to establish that the road in front of your property is not the 80 feet road that we originally thought.
But what size?
Please, I will come to that. So we were able to establish that that wasn't the 80 feet road that we were looking for. So that was a major point because it's the reason why we thought part of your fence wall should go. And so in the meeting, we told you that you can clean or whatever it is, we are not going to touch up to that point. And then we all agreed. Number two, we were able to establish that the road ends, is actually actually not a thoroughfare. It ends right where your building is. But like you said yourself, it's been used as a thoroughfare for all the years that the community has.
Which is benefiting
everyone. Yes, but the document, there was no thoroughfare road.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. That's exactly what I'm saying. That's exactly what I'm saying.
It was established
we were able to establish that it wasn't a thoroughfare, which you confirmed yourself. And then we moved to where the 80-feet road was supposed to be, which we realized that it had also been encroached up to the top there. And so it's practically non-existent. I don't know what concession, what admittance you wanted to make again. Because as the best of my recollection, we admitted to basically what you were asking for. And you said
I am not asking.
Well, you wanted to confirm what your claims were. And we did. That yes, what you have said is right. And our area plan confirms what you were saying. So I don't know what to do.
I'm not asking for anything. What I'm asking for is for all this verbal stuff you said.
We should put it into writing.
Yes.
No problem. We'll put it into writing. Don't worry. We'll put it into writing. It's just a report of our program.
Yeah.
It's a report of our program.
You see, you know why? Mommy, you see her?
Yes.
That is going to help all of us.
Madam, no.
In what way?
No, it will implicate us. It won't help all of us.
No, what is it? I don't know. I don't know.
My humble question is that why can't you write to confirm the findings?
I'm telling you, we'll put it in writing. We'll put it in writing.
With this, that's what we do.
Thank you. We'll put it in writing. We'll write it.